With global expertise and local presence, Bilfinger is a solution partner in enhancing efficiency and sustainability for the process industry. The journey to an operational factory begins with feasibility studies and concept engineering. The next critical step, basic engineering, where your vision takes shape. Here we address essential questions. What is the design basis of your facility? Are the CapEx and OpEx costs in line with the budget? Our experts delve into every detail, from risk management to precise cost estimation, to ensure your project is on the right track. Safety and compliance are priorities. Our in-house consultancy team handles permitting, ensures that all technical specifications align with regulation. They also focus on constructability to assure seamless execution. Sustainability and operational efficiency is at the core of our design process. Through structured variant studies, we design sustainable process installation that minimize impact on the environment while maximizing functionality. By the end of the basic engineering phase, you'll have a complete engineering package with technical specifications, clear CapEx and OpEx insights, comprehensive permit applications, and a compliance register to guide the asset lifecycle. This basic engineering package paves the way for a smooth transition into the investment phase. With Bilfinger by your side, every step of the engineering process is a step closer to success, delivering in-house engineering and consultancy services from a single source.